How to use ChatGPT official iPhone app that just released. First, open your App Store and search for OpenAI ChatGPT. Make sure to select this one since this is the official app, and then just download it. After that, you can sign up with your email, continue with Google, continue with Apple, or log in on your account of ChatGPT if you already have it. Once you're done, you will see this and then just click continue. Now, here is how you use this. Just like the ChatGPT in your PC, you can type in your prompt in the message part in the lower part of your screen and then just send it. And it also has a feature where you can use the mic and just talk or say your prompt and it will be turned to text, which you can then send to ChatGPT, just like this in the video. Then in the upper right corner of your screen, you will be able to click this and then you can rename or delete the conversation that you just had with ChatGPT. Choose rename if you want to see it in the history. Or you can simply click new chat for a new message or prompt to be used. Just remember that this app is new and it may not be available for all iPhone at the moment. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.